Good morning, afternoon, and evening. This is Mr. S here, and thank you for selecting my Packback tutorial. Today I'm going to be taking you through what exactly the website Packback is, as well as all the various features, and just generally how to navigate the site itself and use it to enrich your educational experience. So if you'll take a look at the screen here, this is what you'll see after you've logged in and you're done creating your profile. This here is my profile, Century Price, student at Texas State University. And right away, you're met with a My Communities tab, which is going to be a list of the various classes that you are taking or enrolled in. At the start of the semester, you'll likely get a code or a lookup key, as it says right here, a lookup key from your syllabus, and you'll enter it into this little search bar and select Find Community, and it'll pop up with your class, and it'll have the title, the instructor, the length of class, the members, and and you also have your past communities. If you're enrolled in any previous classes, it's actually pretty nifty. You can still go back and examine the data from your old classes. Like if I click on this here from my philosophy class, we can still take a look at all the discussions that are going on here from my previous peers. And that brings me to my main point, which is that Packback, first and foremost, is a discussion board website. It's a place to facilitate conversation and idea sharing, as well as just general discussion between peers among various topics. It's a good way to be social with your classmates, as well as a great way for instructors to keep up and make sure that their students are really comprehending and understanding what's being taught in class and giving it a chance to see how it's put into application by their students. So we've looked at the Past Communities tab. Let's take a look, for example, at how to actually make a post. So if we click on the class here, we'll see our list of assignments, closed assignments, open assignments. We can view our work and our grades, the course details off to the side over here. But let's say that you do have an assignment due, like I do. You'll click here on this assignment, and then there will be a guide post, usually created by the instructor themselves, and it'll detail the gist of the assignment, what they're looking for in the response, and responded to classmates. And here is a list of all the already posted discussion responses. We've got 3 to work from here. It shows you how many responses they've already received. And if we click here, this is where you can add a response to a classmate's post. So up here it'll have what you're responding to, the thesis, and you hit read more. You can see the entirety of their post, so you can refer to that when you're writing your response. And right here, it's going to ask you for a thesis of your response, basically a summarization of your perspective on the matter. And then here is the meat goes. Basically, you input your response right in this little box. And there's all nifty kinds of features that you would find in any document app like Google Docs or Word. You can bold, underline, italicize. There's bullets lists. You can change the alignment, indent, outdent, all that good stuff. It's like I said, it's very well equipped to facilitate thoughtful discussions between students. And down here is where you cite a source, which helps your post get a higher curiosity score, which is essentially credibility, or basically the grading scale for Packback, I find. So that's how you would respond. And creating a post is pretty simple. Up here at the top, see the minimum curiosity score, which a curiosity score is generated by the length, the breadth of your response. But anyways, up here, ask a new question. It'll list any drafts that you have saved. It lets you know what you're responding to. And here is you post a question, which is different from your response thesis, as you have to end it in a question mark and actually, be contributing your own idea to the discussion. But it's the same. You add a description, you cite a source for better credibility, and you'll hit submit post. And when you submit that post, it will give you your curiosity score. And so that's really all there is to it. It's quite a nifty app, and it's a lot of fun. It's a great way to facilitate discussions, and I think that it's a great tool to have. And hopefully y'all understand it a little better after today. Thank you for stopping by. Mr. S signing out.